What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Sports Room. My name is Chris. Thank you guys so much for stopping in and checking out our channel. Today for you guys, we're going to jump into two boxes of the 2022 Tier 1 baseball for you. Going to get right over here into the Cardboard Connection, talk a little bit about product detail and pricing. Looks like you can find these as low as $198 when you hit the Buy It Now link there through eBay on Cardboard Connection. Currently at the Sports Room, I believe on release day. Today is release day, July 27, 2022. We have these available at $225 at the shop. So if you're in the local area, you want to grab a box, go ahead, stop by, talk to us, or give us a call. Product details. Continuing the annual MLB card series, the Tier 1 baseball sticks to its all-hit ways. As usual, 3 card boxes promise 2 autographs and 1 relic. Led by on-card content, the Tier 1 baseball checklist is filled with autographs, breakout autos numbered to $299, featured rookies and other young standouts, prime performers autographs, $299 or less, covers past and present stars, and Tier 1 talent autographs numbered to $299 or less is for celebrating players and their elite skills. Let's get a look at some of these cards here. Wander Franco, beautiful card. Signature needs a little work there. You can learn from the guy below you there. He knows how to sign some cards. The namesake Tier 1 autos number to $199 or less insert is also hard sign and provides a guaranteed case hit card. Nice. Showcasing a multi-layered format, next level autos numbered to 50 or less is another option for top MLB names. Here is the parallels breakdown, the breakout autos, Tier 1 autos, prime performers autos, next level autos, and Tier 1 autographs, and the breakdown there. Additional on-card choices include dual autos 25 or less, triple autos numbered to 10 or less. Boasting Clear 1 technology, more limited autographs arrive via Clear 1 autographs numbered to 10 or less and Clear 1 duals numbered 10 or less. That leaves the cut signature chase that includes 25 one-of-one subjects, as you can see right there in the George Herman Ruth card. That would be really cool. Tier 1 baseball autoed relics, adding to the on-card signature lineup. The 2022 Topps Tier 1 baseball offers multiple auto relic sets as well. This includes autographed Tier 1 relics numbered to 99, dual autographed Tier 1 relic book numbered to 10. On top of that, look for premium memorabilia pieces in perfect contact autographed bat relics numbered to 5. With game-used bat slices and prodigious patches autographs numbered to 10, displaying jumbo uniform swatches. Gripping autograph relics numbered to 10 or less is numbered to 10 or less is a new option. These cards contain game-used bat grip tape. Sweet. That Mike Trout card is pretty cool. Just want to say a little something. Heard a little bad news about Trout today on the internet about he has a very rare back condition. So all prayers to Trout and your family. Hopefully everything is going good and you are doing well and you are healed promptly and back in the lineup, my friend. You are great for baseball and just a good dude, man. Hope to see you back real soon. Tier 1 baseball autograph relics parallel breakdown list. There it is right there. The auto Tier 1, the gripping auto, the perfect contact, the dual, and the prodigious, I guess. From there, collectors can hunt for multiple one-of-one editions, including Tier 1 autograph bat knobs. Still waiting to pull one of those myself for the first time. Tier 1 autograph limited lumber and cut signature relics. Sweet posy right there, one-of-one. Signature tool autograph 101 contains a piece of the actual pen from the signing session. Wow, that's pretty cool. And the Tier 1 baseball relics. Rounding out the hits, 2022 Tier 1 baseball delivers memorabilia in a few forms. In addition to the main Tier 1 relics there, as you see on that Gil Hodges, numbered to $399 or less, which also has 2 different designs. The selection features Tier 1 Legends relics, numbered to $199 or less, and gripping relics, numbered to 10 or less, prodigious patches, numbered to 10 or less, and Tier 1 uniform button relics, numbered to 5. Nice little Francisco Lindor right there. And the Tier 1 baseball relic parallels breakdown list. Like I said, July 27, 2022, today is the release date. 12 boxes per case on these, 3 cards per pack, 1 pack per box. Every card is a hit. Let's jump into it, guys. I'm excited. I'm going to rip both these open first and foremost. Get them out of the boxes here for you. Hope everybody's having an amazing day. If you haven't done so yet already, go back to our channel page and check out Shannon's Pop Century or her new Pokemon video. She went rogue in the man cave and started dropping videos yesterday, and I couldn't be more proud of her. She's doing amazing. And go ahead and jump over there. Check out that video and give her some support, guys. Drop her a comment. Let her know how she can improve and what you liked about the video. All right, box number 1 here. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's cool. Little Vladdy action, number to 299. Game Use Mem. That's a good-looking card. Nice one. Guess I will probably need some sleeves for this video, huh? Good looking card. Got our first auto here. Tyler Gilbert, numbered 1 of 299. Bookend on that one. Rookie auto. All right, we got this pitcher box out of the way quick. Joe Ryan is our next auto, 260 of 299. Sweet looking card. All right. Get that box out of the way. Let's see some heat now. That's not how I wanted that to open. All right. Jeez, come on. Oh, that's brutal. There we go. All right. Box number 2. Starting off a little Ortiz action. 335 of 399. Welcome to the hall, buddy. You spent a career torching the Yankees, and you've definitely earned your spot in the hall, my friend. Congratulations. Another pitcher. Aaron Ashby. Rookie auto, 291 of 299. And the last card in this break is the Jake Berger rookie autoed 174 of 299. Wow. All right, so it looks like I could not have picked 2 worse boxes for you guys. I do apologize for that. I grabbed these things at random. Had the Berger, the Ashby, the Big Poppy, Joe Ryan, Tyler Gilbert, and Vladdy Jr. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Sorry I couldn't pour more heat for you, but there's always next time. Make sure you smash that like button. Drop me a comment down below. Tell me how horrible this break is or just how much you love seeing pitcher autos, and I really look forward to seeing you guys' feedback. And if you haven't done so already, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. We are growing really fast. We have only you to thank for that, so please help us to continue that success. Keep it going. Hit that subscribe and click that bell for notifications when you do so you can be notified every time we drop a new video. As always, guys, be well, be safe, and please, please rip responsibly. Have a great night. Thanks.